Welcome to SalesPlay POS. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to the SalesPlay POS app, add new POS devices, replace a lost or damaged device, and sign out safely. Let's get started. When do you need to sign in? You may need to use the sign in feature in several situations. After registering through the back office to activate the POS app. When adding a new POS device to an existing shop. If a POS device is damaged, lost, or replaced, let's look at each scenario. Sign in after back office registration. If you registered your account using the SalesPlay website or back office web portal, the final step is signing in to the POS app. We covered this briefly in an earlier video, but here's a quick recap. Steps. Download and open the SalesPlay POS app. Tap Sign In. Enter your registered email address. Enter your password. Tap Sign In. Select the correct shop and POS. Tap Continue. Once completed, your POS is ready for use. Add POS devices directly from the app. SalesPlay now allows you to add new POS terminals directly from the POS app without going to the back office. This makes expanding your shop faster and more convenient. Example: if your shop has multiple cashier terminals, you can easily add each one using this method. Download and open the POS app. Tap Sign In. Enter your registered email address. Enter your password. Tap Sign In. Select the correct shop. Then tap Add POS. Enter a POS name and tap Save. You're now ready to use the new POS device for sales operations. Replace a lost, broken, or damaged POS device. If your POS device is lost, damaged, or replaced, you can continue using SalesPlay by signing in on a new device. This process includes two parts: deactivating the old device from the back office, signing in on the new POS device. Go to the back office web portal, open Settings, click POS Devices. Select the broken or lost device. Click the phone icon near the Status tab. Enter your password and confirm. The device status will now show as deactivated. Sign in on the new POS device. Open the app and tap Sign In. Enter your registered email address. Enter your password. Select the correct shop and terminal key of the replaced device. Tap Sign In. You're now ready to continue sales operations on the new device. Note: some unsynced or unsaved data from the old device may not appear on the new POS. Sign out from SalesPlay. The sign out feature is useful when you operate multiple businesses on the same POS device. For example, you might use one business in the morning and another in the evening. Important notes: unsaved orders will be lost when signing out. Always save open orders before signing out. Steps to sign out. Open the main menu and tap on Settings. Now tap Sign Out. That's how you sign in, add new POS devices, replace a lost device, and sign out safely in SalesPlay POS. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit SalesPlay Help Center.